may mga bagay na hindi mo agad malalag go kahit alam mo plastic sila. So, na-stress tuloy ako. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's video ay mag-unbox tayo. So this is my first time to do unboxing video, guys. So while mag-unbox tayo, guys, at the same time, I will do a makeup tutorial. So kung interesado kayong malaman kung ano yung item na i-unbox ko ngayon, so just keep on watching. So, ito na yun guys. Ito yung box na i-unbox natin. Excited na akong mag-unbox nito guys. Kasi it's been a long time na inaasam ko tong item na to. So, at last, meron na ako nito. Alright, so to give you a thrill guys, hindi ko muna ito bubuksan. So, magsisimula muna ako sa makeup tutorial. I'll start with this detail makeover. So, this is Illuminating Primer Oil. We'll just wait for about 3 to 5 minutes para mag-set in yung oil sa ating mukha. So, ayan na. Mag-unbox na talaga tayo, guys. So, tatanggalin ko muna yung bubble wrap. I'm so excited! So, ayan guys. Natanggal ko na yung bubble wrap. Okay. So, of course, bago ko siyang buksan, so, let's continue with the makeup tutorial. Pag-apply na ako ng liquid foundation. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. This is Detail Makeover Liquid Foundation. This is a matte finish. So, this is in a light shade. So, guys, dahil nga matte finish siya, this is perfect for those who have an oily skin. Before we will proceed to the next step, guys, this is it. I-unbox ko na talaga yung box. So, para malaman na natin kung ano ba talaga yung laman nito. So, ayan guys, na-open ko na siya. Wow! Ang ganda niya. Ito na guys, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng box na to. Okay. Feeling ko, magpo-proceed muna ako sa next step ng aking makeup tutorial. Hindi ko muna siya ipapakita sa inyo guys. Magkikilay lang muna ako guys. I will be using this LA Girl Brow Pomade and this is in a dark brown shade. Lilinisin ko na yung aking kilay using this BYS concealer. And this is in a light shade. So, ayan guys, natapos ko na yung kilay ko. Let's continue with our unboxing. It's the moment of truth. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano ba talagang laman ng box na ito. Super ganda niya, guys. Makeup. Okay. So, ayan. So, ito na, guys. So, this is Acrylic Cosmetic Organizer. So, napakaganda niya, guys, in person. At last, meron na rin akong cosmetic organizer. And open mo lang siya dito. And so, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng perfume. Oh my God, what happened? I'm not sure, guys, kung maayos pa to. But anyway, so ito yung mukha niya, guys. So, meron siyang 3 drawers. 2 maliliit na drawer. Ito. Ito naman yung malaki. Okay. I'm so disappointed with this. Guys, dito siya. Hindi ko alam kung ma-fix pa ba siya. So, wala na akong magagawa nito. Nasigira na siya. Na-stress tuloy ako. Oh, so guys, nabili ko pala itong Acrylic Cosmetic Organizer sa Shopee. It costs 819 pesos instead of 1,599 pesos. So, they're actually on sale. So, nabili ko to siya nung 11/11 big sale. Bili ko to siya sa pinakamurang shop or seller. Kaya pala mura na siya kasi may damage siya. Anyways, i-message ko na lang yung seller about the product kung ano bang magagawa nito. Eh, may damage na siya. I ordered this organizer last November 11. And na-ship out siya ng seller last November 13. And then, na-receive ko tong item na to noong November 20. It took 9 days to process my order plus the delivery lead time. Yun yung total days na hinintay ko or total time na hinintay ko bago ko na-receive yung item. Ako kasi, guys, bago ako mag-check out, I also check the reviews. Okay naman yung mga review niya. So, siguro it's really a case-to-case basis. Sad to say, in my part, hindi maganda yung experience ko dito. Pero, as you can see naman yung item, it's very good, very elegant, kasi siya tingnan. Mukha talaga siyang mamahaling organizer. To tell you honestly, guys, ito lang talaga yung ginagamit kong sort of organizer ng aking makeup. So, itong Forever 21 na shopping bag, hindi na talaga siya magkakasya. Plus, ito yung Miniso na plastic. So, ayun guys, na-realize ko na malaki din pala yung pakinabang ng mga plastic na to. Ay mga bagay, hindi mo agad malalaggo kahit alam mo, plastic sila. So, but this time, I can let them go na. Kasi meron akong organizer. Kahit palpak yung organizer ko, or kahit may damage na siya. So, wala na akong choice. Na-receive ko na yung item. So, this time guys, magko-concealer na ako. I will be using this BYS All Day Wear Concealer. This is in an ivory shade. Ito yung lightest shade ng BYS. Let's proceed to our eyeshadow. We'll be using this Ecru Squad Palette by Detail Makeover. Ito yung unang shade na gagamitin ko. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa ating transition color. So, ito yung gagamitin kong shade for my crease. By the way guys, gumagawa pala ako ng half cut crease eyeshadow. Ayan guys, natapos ko na maglagay ng concealer, pero bago ko tapusin yung eyeshadow ko, maglalagay lang muna ako nitong contact lens. So this is from Novma's contact lenses, and yung color nito guys is satin gray. So ito yun guys. Ilalagay ko muna itong contact lens sa aking mata at ako'y magbabalik. So ito yung last shade na gagamitin ko. So ito guys. For my eyeliner, I'll be using this Rebranding Eyebrow Pomade. Ito naman yung gagamitin ko for my false eyelashes. I will be using this Detail Makeover. This is their Contour and Blush Palette, 4-in-1. Ito yung unang shade na gagamitin ko. This is for my cheeks. So, tapos na ako sa pagkukontour. Then, let's proceed to loose powder. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. And this is Fashion 21. And this is in number 4 shade. So, tapos na tayo sa loose powder. So, let's proceed to our cheeks. So, magbablush na tayo. So, to define my lips, I will be using this Lippie liner from Detail Makeover. Ito naman yung gagamitin ko for my lips. So, this is Fashion 21. And this is in a shade of bronze. And lastly, ito yung gagamitin ko. So, I'll be using this highlighter. So, since tapos ako sa aking makeup tutorial, and as you can see, tapos ko na yung makeup ko, ipa-finalize ko na lang yung look ko. So, ako ay magbabalik.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Sana ay nag-enjoy at may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. By the way guys, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, and share sa video na ito. And before I will end this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para palagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos ko. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!
Tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?